Hi, I'm Dan from Firefly Tech, and in today's video we're going to show you how to properly power up your Do Not Disturb original. Now, the first thing you're going to need is your Do Not Disturb sign, and the second thing is 4 AA batteries. It's very simple. All you need to do is take the sign, slide the acrylic sheet up, slot it out of the wooden box, simply take your AA's, insert them into the slots provided. And it's as simple as that. Once you've inserted your 4 batteries, you are ready to go. Simply take the acrylic sheet, insert it back into the wooden runnels, slide it down, plastic film, and with that your sign is ready to go. If you've ordered the smart version of this sign, you will also need to learn how to sync it to your Wi-Fi in order to enable calendar integration, but if you've got the remote version, all you need to do is turn it on and off with the remote. If you do have the smart version, please check out this video on how to set it up. Thanks again.